Hello. Let's replace the battery. Remove the seat. The battery is under the charger and the ECU. Remove the T30 bolt holding the ECU. Lift and pull the ECU from the socket. Remove the band holding the charger and the battery. Pull the charger to the side. Unscrew the negative terminal. Unscrew the positive terminal. Pull the battery out. Slide the new battery in. Connect the positive first. Then connect the negative. Replace the charger and fix the band. Fix the ECU and bolt it. Let's start the bike now.